to make totals in Excel. I'll be using a few ways. I'll be showing how a few ways how to do it. All right. We have taken an example over here. This example is for the names John, Neil, Max, Mark, Ram, and Amit. These are their relative marks in these subjects: English, Maths, and Spanish. So we want to find out how to total them up. All right. So there are multiple ways of doing it. The first way is we need to put a is equal to sign over here and then type in sum. So what does it say? Adds all the numbers in a given range. So then we open the brackets, and the brackets are opened by using shift and the relative key in your keyboard. And then we need to, it says number 1 and number 2. That means it wants you to select numbers. So we am selecting this, and then I can put a comma and I can select this. Then it says me number 3, and then I can put another comma, and then I can select this, and then I'll close the bracket and I'll press enter, and here's the result. Isn't it cool? There's another way of doing it. I'll show you how. Is equal to sum, open the brackets, and rather than selecting specific numbers, you select the complete range. A collection of cells is called a range. So I selected this complete range, and I'm closing the bracket and pressing enter. So it's given me the answer. This can be done in another way also. All right. It's in variation. Is equal to, you click on the number which you want to use, add this, then enter the sign of plus, then choose another number, then enter the sign of plus, then choose another number, then enter, and then press enter. It gives you the result. And there is one more way of also, and that is using auto sum. All right. Now you click on auto sum, and it automatically chooses a range. See, if it is highlighted, this F10, it is highlighted, so that means it is in edit mode. So we will select the range that we want, and we'll press enter. It will give us the result like this also. And there is one more way. What we need to do is we need to select whatever we need to add, and if we see below here, it gives us the result, sum 176. So you can actually see the result from here and type it. You won't believe, so many people do it. Even I use it so many times. And finally, there is a way which is very user friendly, which is you go to the formula tab over here, and then click on insert function and type in the name of the formula which you want to use, which is sum, and then we click on go, and then we click on OK, and then we choose the number which we want to add, like this. Number 2 is this, number 3 is this, and then we click on OK, and that's the answer. Isn't it cool? Well, this is a very easy way of doing sum. Now comes my magic trick. I'll show you a magic trick. Alright, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press 2 keys and it will give me the answer. I'll press Alt and is equal to together and press enter. See, I'll do it again. Alt is equal to enter. Alt is equal to enter. Alt is equal to enter. This is a nice trick to know. It's a magic trick. So this was the formula, how to